Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change language here in Google Merchant Center. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Google Merchant Center, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To change the language here in Google Merchant Center, all you have to do is follow these simple steps. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to access the account settings. And for us to be able to do that, I want you to click the gear icon on the top right corner and click the general account options. If you do that, you would be forwarded here, and obviously you have the option to change the language and time zone. For example, just navigate to the drop-down menu, all right, and locate the interface and select the desired language from these options. All right, so there's a lot. Now, after selecting the preferred language, you just have to click save or apply to update the settings. And you can also do that for the time zone if you have it. So if you wanted to change the time zone to normally match your native region, you're also welcome to do that. Because for one, if the default language isn't your preferred or native language, changing it to one you're fluent can make navigating the interface easier and more intuitive. I find it very helpful if you are working with multiple freelancers. For example, one is working on the probably in Europe, one is working in the United States, one is working in Hong Kong, and one is working in probably in Singapore. So it's one of the easiest way for you to fully understand the features and notifications within the platform. A familiar language minimizes the misunderstandings or errors in managing the accounts. If, for example, if the team members or collaborating people or partners primarily uses a different language, switching the interface language can improve the collaboration and communication. All right, so I always do this a lot when managing products targeted at a specific region. Switching to the local language can help align the merchant center with the market we are serving. Now, if in case you are having problems changing the language here on to Google Merchant Center, I want you to click on the Help Center here and go to the Contact Us option. You will be simply forwarded to this section, and from here you want to type in your questions to see if you get an answer. All right, normally on the contact options, one of the customer support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.